Looking at the Dremel 8240, now I've had quite a few rotary tools in my day, but this one really steps up the game, and I love that it's cordless. It's just so handy that you're not tethered to a power cord, plus great power and variable speed. Battery indicator lights there to let you know when you need to recharge it, but I've found the battery life is quite good. Plus it comes with a nice storage case, some accessories, and a charger. It's got a 5 to 35,000 RPM range, and I really like this flip down stand. If the bit is hot, it just lets you set it right on your workbench without any worry. Plus when you flip it back in place, it kind of snaps in and it stays out of your way. And the wire wheel is perfect for rust removal. As with any cordless tool, I like to remove the battery before bit changes. That's a 12-volt system and it charges up nice and fast. There's a call it lock button, that's the black one on the top of the tool here, so you press that to lock the shaft so you can switch bits. And we'll swap it over to a small sanding drum. And with that, you can tackle all sorts of sanding and refinishing jobs. Looks like that's getting nice and smooth. And of course with the Dremel name, there's all sorts of accessories that you can add to your kit. I particularly like this 0.08 inch ball carving tip. It's great for etching or engraving glass. So the 8240 makes quick work of glass etching projects, and it's just such a versatile tool. Plus you can get a variety of polishing wheels and polishing compound for brightening up metal. So if you're looking for a versatile rotary tool and you really value that cordless portability, I would recommend the Dremel 8240.